Hi, this is Chef Giuseppe with Meals for Longevity, and this is the moment of So What's for Dinner in a minute. Let me enjoy the sunset for a minute. This is pretty nice. So, welcome to So What's for Dinner, and you got me just a little bit earlier than usual. I like to take a couple of minutes before testing to enjoy the sunset. So, let me present you the menu for tonight. For dinner, we have the Meals for Longevity program as a vegetable soup. Can you hear me well? Very good. Vegetable soup. So I was able to clean up quite a bit of vegetables left over. I'll show you. I have a bucket where I keep all the pieces left from the recipes, and then I do this, a minestrone soup. Very good. I have some chicken broth over here. So this is what we're gonna do for dinner. Maybe you can help me a little bit to finalize. So judges are coming in the next 10 minutes. So we'll go ahead and cook this. We'll keep them nice and crunchy. I have also some parsley inside. And then, so we're gonna start with a vegetable soup. Call it minestrone, call it whatever you want. Let's put together the program for the bread. I offer ciabatta bread. I have 2 judges tonight, so I'm gonna give them 2 slices each, 25 grams each. So in the meantime that goes, let me introduce what we got. I made some chicken kabobs. They're ready. They are marinated in lemon, garlic, and oil. I have mushroom, chicken, peppers, chicken, onion, cherry tomato, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Let's go ahead and start warming up our skillet. Just on low. And then I have a risotto. I already cooked a little bit the onion. And we're gonna bring this back to the temperature. So as soon as this is bubbling again, I'm gonna add some rice, risotto, arborio. Then I'm gonna put some white wine, let it evaporate. That's toasting the rice. And then I have some chicken broth, about 3 times the amount of the rice. And that will cook in about 40 minutes. So these are some of the recipes that you'll find on mealsforlongevity.com. We are finalizing everything, as you know, and I keep repeating. We have 22 soups coming for release. I believe Monday we're gonna start publishing the soups for $1 each recipe. And subscribe on this channel. Subscribe on the newsletter of mealsforlongevity.com so I can send you an update so you can start downloading. Keep your dollars spare on the side because it's a great investment. $1 for your health. It's less than a life insurance, and it's less than going to the doctor. So I'll show you a little bit of risotto. In the future, I will be doing some recipes live or recorded. For the moment, I will just release the recipes online in a PDF file. So we're going to toast the risotto. The soup is boiling. Good. So you don't want to cook a lot the vegetable. As long as you have a nice chicken broth, you make it or you buy organic. It's your choice. This is a quick soup. All the recipes are quick. Soup like 7 minutes. Risotto 14 minutes. Chicken about 12-14 minutes. So you can do this after work. I know you're busy, and you can have a peace of mind that you're eating healthy. And if you don't have any questions at this time, because I cannot hear you, my name is Chef Giuseppe, and it's nice to meet you. I go ahead and finish this dinner because in 7 minutes the judges, they're gonna get ready. I already prepared the dining room. Tonight I'm taking a little bit more of your time. Thank you for following me. But at least I show you what I do, and we do it together. So after the wine evaporates and the rice starts sticking on the bottom of the pan, then we put the broth. We bring back to boil, and after boiling we count about 12 minutes from now. 12 minutes from boiling, not from now. And we're gonna cook uncovered. At the end, I'm going to put some Parmigiano cheese, real Parmigiano cheese, some parsley. Let's see, the soup should be almost ready. Even the peas are fresh. This is good. Nice crunchy al dente. I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it off. Let it rest for a couple of minutes. And it's ready to be served. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow for the next video. Ciao!